So it is time to do our second reading for At the Beach. So I'm going to point to a sight word, and I want you to tell me what that sight word is. You ready? All right, here's the first one. To. The. In. The. In. The. And. C. A. All right, now we are going to read the blending words. Remember, there's a couple tricky ones in there. So watch out for some of our special sounds or if there's a long vowel. All right, remember the smile means it's saying this short sound. So when you blend it out, put the short sound in there. Ran. Beach. Beach. Ran. Remember, I told you this one right here was water. All right, move to the next line. Sat. Sand. Dug. Dug. Shell. All right, so the first question, it says, put your finger down on that number 1 at the bottom of your paper where you see your questions start. So the first one, it says, where did I go? I could see that in the first answer. It says, I ran to the beach. So, where did I go? I ran to the beach, so I went to the beach. I'm going to highlight my answer because that helps me remember. Oh, it doesn't want to be highlighted. Let's try one more time. All right, so I know my answer is the beach. I ran to the beach. I'm going to underline it since my highlighter's not playing nice. But you can highlight it if you can, if you have a highlighter, and if not, you can just underline it with your pencil. So I ran to the beach. So where did I go? The beach. You can look up here to see how to spell the beach, or you can use my paper, whichever one is easier for you. All right, did you get the chance to write the beach as your answer? Nice job. All right. So, the next question wants to know, what did I find? I know I ran to the beach. I ran to the water. I went to the sand. I dug, and what did I find in the sand? I see a shell. So when I was in the water, I found a shell. So I'm going to go underline my answer. That way I can remember where I found it. So in the water, for number 2, it says, what did I find? What are you going to write? I found a shell. So for your answer for number 2, you're going to write shell. You can look up here. You can sound out shell, or you can just look at my answer. Whichever one is easiest for you. All right, number 3. Put your finger on the number 3 for me. It says, I ran in the blank. Did I run in the water? Did I run in the sand? Or did I run in the pool? Now, it didn't talk about a pool, so I don't think the pool is the answer. It talked about water and sand, but it wants to know which one I ran in. So I'm going to come back up here and see. I ran to the beach. Well, that doesn't tell me. Let's try another one. I ran in the water. Does that tell me my answer? It sure does. I ran in the, what's this word? Water. So I ran in the water. That means this top one is my answer. Make sure you're marking these as you go. Mark your top one as your answer. And then put your finger on that light bulb to let me know you're ready to rock and roll. So the 4th question says, I think it is. The options are cold, hot, or rainy. Where is this boy or girl in this story? They are at the beach. So do you think it's cold, hot, or rainy? Do we go to the beach when it's cold? You can, but you're not going to be playing in the water. Do you go to the beach when it's hot? I know that's when I like to go to the beach. It's nice and I can cool down. Let's look at that last answer. Rainy. Do we go to the beach when it's raining? No, not normally. So, what is the best answer? I think it's cold or I think it's hot. The best answer is hot. You did a great job reading through this. So go ahead and mark off your 2nd star, because you have read through this 2 times. Fabulous work. I can't wait to come back tomorrow and read it for the last time. Wonderful work today.